Hey, for a second, draw a cute hamster.
That's right, we have got our furry little friend here called Shine, and he's a hamster. And he's so cute and furry and friendly, we thought he'd do a really nice drawing. So if you like hamsters, you can draw along with us. And you can also use the colors that, if you have any hamsters, whatever colors they are, you can color in. We're going to be using white, brown, and grey for our hamster. And Shine is so active and so much energy. We're going to have to put him away while we do our drawing. You ready to draw? Are you ready to draw someone?
Yes.
Yeah, let's put Shine away. So Shine, say goodbye to everyone while we draw our picture. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. High five. And high five for Shine. Boop. Alrighty, Shine. Okay, so let's draw Shine, our nice little hamster. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with Shine's nose over here.
Yeah.
So let's start with a nice little, a little bit more in the middle. There you go. Okay, so we're going to start with a nice little, like a U shape, like an R, with a little sort of more point at the bottom. And then a line on top. Very good. And then we're going to draw kind of like two U's under that, like how we always kind of draw a cat's mouth or a mouth or a dog's mouth. Yeah, just like that. Very good. And then another U, but this time make it like a little bit longer. It's going to give him a nice little smile. Now, how about we do his eyes next? So we're going to do some nice big shiny eyes. So we're going to draw one over here. Try to make it a nice circle. Very good. And another one on this side. Very good. And then let's give a highlight in the top corners. A big one, and then a small one in the bottom corners. Very good. And let's color in our eyes. And we leave the little highlights to make his eyes look nice and
pretty.
yeah, shiny, like Shine's name.
Shiny.
Yeah.
Shiny bright diamond.
Shine bright like a diamond. Great. How are we doing so far? Very good. Okay, we got two eyes, a nose, and a mouth.
Should we do the tongue next?
Yeah, we can do our tongue next, and we can just draw a little line across like this. Perfect. Good job.
Previous slide.
That's it. All right, now this is the tricky part. We're going to do the top of his head first. Well, actually, first we're going to do his little chin. So we're just going to draw a little curve under his chin like that. Yep. Very good. And now at the top, we're going to draw a little bit of like spiky hair because he's got like your cute fluffy hair, doesn't he? So we're going to start over here and try to draw like in the middle. So I'll give you a little reference point. So about here, okay?
Like grass on the side.
Yeah, so it's going to be a few little spikes. So we're going to go like that. That's it. And then another one. Small ones. Yeah. And then one more. Very good. And then a few on this direction, the other way. Good. Okay, that's yeah. Alright, no, you did very good. So you're gonna draw a line that comes down past his eye. So it's just like a little curve like this. Okay, so I'm gonna draw one over here. So it's gonna go in like this. Very good. And then the same on the other side. Very good. And then we're gonna draw this going straight down and then have a little bit more spiky bits for his nice fluffy cheeks. And then come in. And then in on that side. How are we doing? Very good. Okay, and now he's got those really nice round ears, doesn't he? So we're gonna draw kind of like a cut, like for cat, just on this side. So we're just gonna draw a nice one like that. Wow, yours is super big. It's really cool. And then another one on this side. Very good. And then what we're gonna draw is we're gonna draw a line that curls around, and that's just to make our ears look a little bit three-dimensional. So it's going to start in the top corner here, you're going to go around and then down to here. It's a bit tricky. You can just draw slowly, like that. And another one, same way, and then down. Really good, we're looking awesome so far. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do his cute little arms.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do some nice fluffy chubby arms, and we're gonna draw him holding a sunflower seed for his favorite food.
Yeah.
Yeah, he loves sunflower seeds. So we're gonna draw an arm. It's gonna come in from just under his chin. You draw a line like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, about here, but not all the way past his chin. So we're gonna draw it coming in and maybe stop over here.
So first we start here.
Yeah.
And we stop here.
That's it. Yeah. Good job. Nice. And then we're gonna draw another sort of K shape, but the other way. Very good. And then back in like this. That's it. And then can you draw the same type of thing on the other side?
So start here. Start here.
A little bit higher maybe a little bit here. That's it.
And stop here.
Yep. Good job. I like that you're focusing very hard and you're trying to get it as perfect as you can. You're taking your time. Good job. All right.
Now we get to do this.
Sunflower seed. Yeah, so we can just draw a curve. So it goes like that. Make him holding it and down to like a bit of a point. Very good. And then like that. Right, good job. And now we can do his fluffy little feet, and we're going to do his feet just underneath. So it's kind of like an oval. This kind of shape for the sunflower seed is a similar shape for his feet. So we're going to draw it going up like this. Yep, let me see that. Yeah, very good, yeah. Good job.
And he has slippers on his face.
He's got slippers on his feet. Very cool. I would love slippers on my feet all the time.
And we do the other one here.
A little bit more inside. Oops, about there. Good job. And then we can join these two with a line in the middle. Yes. His bottom is sitting down nicely, eating his sunflower seed. And then this one, we're going to curve around and come up. And it's going to be a little bit more curved on this side. So maybe we can draw it like that. Yep. And then curve around. Very good. And try to do the same on the other side. Yep. Very good. And then we're going to go up towards his cheek.
Here.
Yes.
We go over there.
Very good. I made mine a little wide on the other side, but that's okay. Very cool. And how about we give him some toes? So 2 little lines at the end of his feet. Very cool. You've done an awesome hamster. What do you think?
Yeah.
Really good?
We can't forget his whiskers.
We can't forget his whiskers, exactly. Let's draw his little whiskers. 1, sticking out, and 2. Thank you for reminding me of his whiskers. Here we go. Now he looks like a hamster.
Yeah.
Well done. Already ready to colour? Our favourite part. Well done. High five for you. Cool. We're going to fast forward through our colouring. And you can always pause it to catch up to see which colours you use. But remember, if you have a hamster or want to use a different colour, you can always do that too. Our hamster is kind of brown and grey, isn't he? Yeah. And white. So we're going to use those colours. Alright, you ready to colour? Yeah. Let's go. Cool. Alright, Summer, you've done an amazing little hamster and it looks just like Shine. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think it's super cute, and you decorated yours with some really cute love hearts and some more sunflower seeds like me. Yeah. Because you love sunflower seeds.
Like yours as well.
Oh, thank you. You're so kind. Well, I had fun drawing that one. I'm sure your hamsters look just as cute. I hope you had fun doing that one. Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did an awesome job. High five. And remember, if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you
next time
on the next video. Bye, everyone.
High five.
High five. High five to Shine.